So hopefully you trust me to do this.
We'll see.
We'll see. Hi, my name is Megan and this is my mom.
Hi, I'm Kim.
And today I'm going to be doing her makeup using the products we got in our May BoxyCharm
And a glam bag.
And we all know the best and only way to start off your makeup routine is with a good skincare routine. So she washed her face already. Her hair is out of her way. So first things first, we got the Olivia Uma Glass Skin Tingulu Multivitamin Serum. So I'm going to have her put a few dots all around her face. And she taught me how to apply skincare properly, just working in an upward motion to work against gravity. So next we're gonna go in with the Saturday Skin Carrot Niacinamide Moisturizing Cream. This is gonna get your skin nice and hydrated so that the makeup sits really well on it. Like it's a good base for the makeup. It's a little sticky, right? It's gonna help the makeup stick. Perfect. Does your skin feel super hydrated?
Very.
Next, we're gonna go in with Glow Recipes Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Hue Drops Sun Glow. This is my first time trying this one. I've tried the regular one, but not the Sun Glow. So this should have like a nice bronze finish, perfect for the summertime.
Glowing.
Oh, that's nice. Looks like you're glowing from within. We were a little intimidated by what came out of the bottle, but it's like a really, but it's a really nice light shimmer for under makeup. She's a fan. So let's see the glow. Nice. Yeah, it looks like you just got a tan. So next we're gonna go in with the Toy Factory Nia Blend Serum Concealer. This has niacinamide in it, which is great. I love products with built-in skincare because it's working for you while you use it. So you usually use concealer before foundation. Yes. Okay. She's more of a concealer girl, light coverage. So with concealer, we like to make sure that there's not too much product on the brush because you want to evenly distribute it. And then I put it right in the inner corner and then a little on the outer corners. And you want to use a concealer shade that's like 1 to 2 shades lighter than your foundation color, because if it's too light or white, it just kind of accentuates all the under eye bags and like the dark spots. So I feel like this is a perfect shade. And it has a peachy undertone, so it's going to correct some of that like darkness under her eyes. So we're just going to blend that out. Yeah, it brightened it for sure. How do you like the feel of this one?
Very nice.
Very nice.
It is smooth.
It is smooth, yeah.
Yeah. I like that it's thin.
She doesn't like when products are too thick or cakey, right? We have the concealer and the foundation on, but now it's time to add some life back into the face. So we're gonna go in with the Mally Beauty Shimmer, Shape, and Glow Plus Face Defining Stick. This is the shade On the Mauve. We love a play on words. This is like a perfect neutral blush. So we're gonna go right here on the cheekbone. She has high cheekbones, so that's perfect. I feel like this is the perfect placement for blush. It really lifts the face up. It's usually naturally where you would blush anyway. Oh, wait, that's a really good color.
It's very nice. Useful.
Youthful.
I need that.
I start from like halfway down the eye and just go upwards. But she has a really defined cheekbone, so I just follow the line of that. And then dab it in with the brush. It's really nice and subtle, but it's there. And I like to take a little bit on the brush, just kind of do it on the chin to add some color, a little bit on the nose, and then right here. This is what the base is looking like so far, really nice and fresh. Now we're gonna go in with the eye look. This is the Half Caked Eye and Cheek Palette, Duality 2. And these colors are so gorgeous, like they're mauves, some shimmers, neutrals. This is definitely a palette that we would grab for. And this is the perfect little compact size because she does not have a big makeup bag. To start off this eye look, we're gonna go in with the color Softy all over the lid. Top off the excess. I forgot to ask you, what kind of eye look are you going for today?
A little soft glam. Okay. Going out to dinner with Dad.
Oh, she's going on a little date. Okay, so we're gonna go for a soft glam look, and then this is literally the perfect palette for that. Just gonna put this Softy all over the lid just to get it started. Now we're gonna go in with the color Secret Garden to transition into the color of the look. And I'm just gonna put this on like the outer part of the eye and go in an upward motion. Very lightly, we're gonna take this shade called The One and put it closer to the lash line to kind of darken the look, but not too much. So I'm actually gonna take the blush shade called Just a Crush and put it from the middle of the eye and bring it out very lightly just to add some color to the look. And then for the lower lash line, I'm gonna go in with the color Ava Adore, which is this darker chocolate. So for the fun part, we're gonna use the shimmer shade called True Love and a denser brush. Oh, this is nice. Oh, there's no fallout. Do you see that? There's no fallout. That's good. We were worried about the glitter getting all under the eye, and there's like no fallout, so that's perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna put this on the outer corner because it's a darker shade. Ooh. Probably a little darker than you're used to, but it's nice. Just that outer corner. So for the inner corner, I'm gonna go back in with Softy to just highlight the inner corner a little more because we got some colors mixed in there. And I'm gonna go in very lightly with Cherub Rock, which is this purple shimmer. Now for the powder blush, we're gonna use the same palette and use the color Just a Caress, which is the blush on this palette. Evenly coat the brush and just go back and apply the blush on top of where we put the cream blush earlier. I always say blush is the first to go, so I like to use the cream or liquid blush and then set it with a powder blush. My mom hasn't done that before, but this is her first time doing that. Mm-hmm. So this one, are you adding it to your makeup routine?
Mine.
Fine. So between the BoxyCharm and the Glam Bag, we have 2 mascaras to choose from. I have e.l.f. Cosmetics Lash Extender Mascara, and this is the Blink Amplified Tubing Mascara. I'll let you choose which one you want to use.
Amplify.
Amplify?
Because my lashes are thin.
She's going to show you, like a real beauty influencer, what the applicator looks like. That's perfect because you prefer mascara over lash extensions or false lashes.
Right.
She uses mascara every day.
Nice.
Oh wait, that's nice.
That's nice. Wow.
They look like falsies.
Wow, that's really nice.
So let's get a close-up of the eye look. Nice. So now for the lips, which is the final step, we have 3 different products to choose from, and we probably will be using a combination of all 3. First and foremost, my mom's really excited for this, is the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Extra Shine Lip Gloss in the shade Foxy. And then we have the K Voss NYC Lip Luxe Luxurious Lipstick in the shade Sugar Hill. This is such a pretty shade that we would use like on a daily basis. This is the Shayna B Miami Lip Liner Set with 2 lip liners. This one is Blush Bay and this one is Berry Beach, the darker one. I would use the darker one, the Berry Beach, and then you would probably use the Blush Bay one.
I like the top
one.
one.
You can keep this one and I'll keep this one. Now we're gonna go in with the K Voss NYC Lip Luxe Luxurious Lipstick. That's like your perfect color.
Yeah, my
wow.
palette.
This is like a perfect palette. Last but not least, we have Huda Beauty's lip gloss in the shade Foxy. And we're just gonna put a little bit because you don't want too much. It just adds like the perfect amount of shine. We're just gonna add a little more. Okay, so this is the final look. It's very much my mother, just a beautiful soft glam. How do you feel?
Very nice.
Ready for your date?
Yep.
Yeah, you get to keep all these products. This is for touch-ups later.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm. So with Mother's Day around the corner and just honestly any time of year, BoxyCharm and the Glam Bag are the gifts that keep on giving to pamper yourself or your loved ones. So definitely sign up today. I think I might be signing you up for Mother's Day.
Huh? Okay.
Thank you so much for doing this with me. I hope you had fun.
I did.
Okay, cool.
I learned a few things.
Oh, nice. Do you trust me now?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, okay, cool.
Not like when you were 5, but yes, now it's good.
I'm gonna make her do my outro. Bye.